So as you can tell by my last video, I did the thumbnail video, but the audio was so bad you couldn't hear me. So this time I'm redoing it basically, but hopefully the audio will be better. So, and FYI, I have some more cool things like tricks and what's it called, like backgrounds you can put in your thumbnail. So I think this will be better than my other one. So just keep watching. Make sure you guys will follow me. Put it on my social medias. It'll be like right there under me. And don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you like the video. And let's get started now. Alright, so I'm about to screen record my phone now, and it's gonna be on this side. So here we go. Alright, so these are the first two apps are the main ones that you're gonna be using. You're gonna be using this one, and you're gonna be using Phonto. SuperimposeX, and you're gonna be using Phonto. Now SuperimposeX is $5. Shout out to my sister because she actually bought the app for me, and yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot to convince her to get it for me. But Phonto is free. It is free. So I'm just gonna click into SuperimposeX, and as you can see, this thumbnail I've made on this app, and this one I made for Ari, but it's just keep watching. So we're gonna make another one. I'm gonna use this picture of me on my first day of school. It's a cute little picture. You see the drip. My dad got me the shoes. I like the shoes. And then you're gonna choose 16:9 ratio because that's a thumbnail ratio. And you're gonna crop it however you want to. And after when you have it however you want to, you're gonna click the check mark. Now. Okay. Now, what you want to do is just, you don't want to click another layer. You just want to click on the first layer that you have. You want to place duplicate layer. And then you're going to click the first layer and you're going to click hide layer. You're going to go on the second layer and then you're going to go to, where is it? You can go to editor. You're going to go down to effects and then go to motion blur. And they have all these motions as you can see. But I don't like, not these motions, they have all these types of choices. I don't like mine's too blurry though. That'll be good enough because yeah, you won't be able to see it. But then after that, what you have there, you want to go back and you want to show layer and you can't see it no more. So now what you want to do, you want to go down to editor again and go, no, actually going to go to mask tool, and then auto mask people. This button, it auto mask it for you instead of tracing it yourself, and then it does pretty good actually. And that's what you got so far. But I want like a little, y'all, I want a little border. Now my camera's sliding. I want a border. So I'm gonna go to editor, tools, not a border, I want to outline. I want to outline myself. So you're gonna go down to editor, tools, and then mask outline, and then it auto masks it outline for you. But I want mine a little smaller, so it's kind of weird. I say about 14 is fine. And then after that, I like mine's black outline. I like a second coat with black again, like that, and that's how you do it. Alright, now since you have that, I got these little, what's it called? You're going to click the plus sign. You're going to go down to photo layer, and I'm going to go down to YouTube. I have all these things for YouTube. As you can see, this is a thumbnail that I've made, and this is going to be the thumbnail for the video. I'm going to put in this little spiral thingamajig. And bam. But so then, since it's like in the middle of the wave, you're gonna go to transform. No, actually, gonna go to layers. Nope. Transform. Basic canvas. Blend. You're gonna go to layers and you're gonna click blend. And then you're gonna do, what is it? Soft light. I like soft light. And then since I'm just gonna drag it, and then bam. That's how you do it. And then I also like a little transparent border. if you guys need this board, just DM me. Like I said, go follow my social media. DM me and I'll give you guys the border if you want it. And bam, get the canvas. I'm gonna blend it out, of course. Where is it? Color dodge. That's the one we want. And then I'm just gonna turn right there. And I want it just like that. That is how you get it. But this is not it. I want to also put another thing in here. These are called the Fortnite one lines. I like using this one. I have 4, as you can see right there, but I like using this one. I don't know, I like to play with it a lot until I find the right one that I want. Gonna click bam, where is it, color dodge, and bam. But see, it's 2 now. I don't want that one. I mostly use this one, to be honest. Like I said, if you want the border, the transparent border, what's it called, the spiral things, and the Fortnite one lines, just make sure you DM me and I will give it to you. That's it. Cause yeah, why not? Then I'm just gonna turn it down. But first, I'm not liking it right now because I need color to it. So in order to get color to it, you're gonna go add layer, photo layer, go down to colors, and here we go. I like this. I could do like a little pink on pink, pink on purple. I'm gonna do a light blue pink. And make it look like a little cotton candy. Then once you have that, you want to click the ratio for the thumbnail, and bam, you're just gonna click this. It don't matter whichever you click. And you're gonna go to layers, transform, fit to canvas, layers, blend. And then what you want to do is drag it under that one. See, now you can't see the spiral thing, so you're going to drag it again under that one. There you go. Now it's not going to be the same color as the thumbnails, like I said. It's just bear with as long as y'all get what you think. And so another app, Phonto. Here we go to Phonto. So I'm just going to save this to photos. Or save. Then you're gonna go down to Phonto. Phonto is how I add the text. This is the second app. So you're gonna click the camera, photo albums, this one, of course. And then you're gonna press done. Now, see, there you go. You see we got the spiral, Fortnite one line, and we have the border. So I'm just gonna add the text. How style it, I like to do my stroke black. I turn it up all the way. And yep. Actually, yeah. Stroke black, turn up all the way. Just turn up all the way. Because you want like a big little outline. Style, stroke black, all the way. I'm just going to do this for every little text. Alright, now as you see, this is in the way. So what I'm going to do now is just bam, bam. I'm thinking about make over here. Actually, let me just make thumbnail a little smaller. Like the little size and all. And I should have moved myself over to the middle a little bit. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to curve it a little. It's still in the way. Nah, it's kind of ugly. I need to make the size a little smaller. Not a lot. Now the curve is falling in the way. I'm going to put it back to 0. And there we go. But I feel like this should be bigger. You always want your text to be big, y'all. Alright, I'm having a little trouble with this. Hold up. Just bear with me. Bear with me, y'all. I just gotta fix it. Like, I want it. And just put this at the bottom. Spread it out a little. Make it seem right. And then I'm gonna add a little emojis. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Do this one. I'm gonna like tilt it a little. Like that. And then I'm gonna put this little emoji right here. Like it's looking at me. And then I'm gonna put question marks. Because I know I need to click that. But for the question marks, I'm gonna make it gray. Just like that. Put a question mark at the bottom right there. Make it gray, 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 gray. You don't want to change the font. Actually, I'm gonna move this. Yeah, and then I'm gonna make all these question marks on the side. Alright, there we go. This is it, and then to save it, what you want to do is you're just going to click this button down here at the bottom right. You're going to go down to save image. I'm not going to save it. Well, actually, yeah, I'm not going to save it right now, but that is it, how to make a thumbnail. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, go follow my social media, be right here at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, of course, and comment down below. Do you like this thumbnail? Because, like, I kind of like it. I don't know, this might be the thumbnail. I'm still choosing. I'm debating. I did kind of good on here. I just want to make the size on this thing a little small. There we go. But like I said, make sure you go follow my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat. DM me if you need the border, transparent border, what is it, the Fortnite wins line, and this little spiral thing for the background. Alright, I'm out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.